My name is Nolan Hovland, and this is my presentation of the Oral Compendium project. So I got Joseph Marie Charles, number 41 on the list, and he had the date of birth of July 7th, 1752. He was born in Lyon, France, and date of death of August 7th, 1834. So he lived a long life until the age of 82. He was nicknamed Jacord, which we will get into why that's so interesting later on in this presentation. From early life, he was one of 9 siblings, of which sadly him and his sister only lived to be an adult. He was from a very Catholic family, and he received no schooling. As a result of this no schooling, he had a really late start, and he was actually illiterate until the age of 13. To the right, you'll see his signature, but this all changed when his brother-in-law, Jean-Marie Barrett, helped educate him. And Jean ran a printing and book selling business, which really helped get his feet wet into some of the industries that you'll see after this slide. Career uniqueness. This is a really confusing and debated topic about him because he had so many different passions and career paths that they really don't know all what is true and not. But the main point of this is he was a man of many talents. He was debatably a type founder, straw hats maker, bleacher, a soldier, and a lime burner, basically making lime for mortar. He also had passions in bookbinding and cutlery, but like I said again, man of many talents. For his main innovation, he invented the Jacord loom. And basically what this was a process for mechanical loom that basically used pasteboard cards and punched holes in them. And this went on for rows and rows and rows, but eventually it composed some type of design on a textile. So the main takeaway of this is that it completely automated the process of weaving. And like I said previously, for a positive, it completely automated the process of weaving, and it helped kickstart the Industrial Revolution. And this really did play a big factor in computers and programmable machines and sequencing these things based on the punched hole cards mechanism. But one of the main negatives for this is it was so productive that it eventually really caused massive job loss for weavers. For the computer architecture, again, this punched hole card mechanism was used, and it was adopted by a man named Herman. And basically he invented the Hawthorne tabulating machine, which basically was a method of using this punch hole card method to encode data and turn up data processing. And one of the really important things about this is it helped really IBM mainframes, the kickstarting of these, and these eventually became one of the big things that helped send men to the moon. But the main importance of this is these IBM mainframes, it really helped get these started and was used in the process of making these. For his legacy, he basically transformed textile manufacturing and pioneered automation for computer machines. And this technology process was completely automated. And he actually was awarded a state pension for Napoleon, and he was honored the Legion of Honor. And basically this Legion of Honor is the highest French order of merit. And that is my oral compendium presentation on Joseph Marie Charles.